The first project car we encountered is a 1963 Ford Fairlane, priced at $1,200. Price is negotiable or best offer. This project is sold as a whole, not for sale in parts. A cool and rare donor car, complete drivetrain, no paperwork. What I want to say is that the owner of this car has 200 other vintage cars and parts. You can check it out in the video description. The second project car, a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500 convertible, priced at $3,200. Powered by a 352 engine, the transmission is, of course, automatic. This car has not run for a long time, but has been stored in a dry building. The body, paint, interior, and top are in good condition, although there is rust on the frame. Originally, this car was equipped with a 390 engine. It is important to note that storing the car in a dry environment has likely prevented further damage, making it a valuable find for restorers. The third project car, a 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, is priced at $2,000. It features a 3-speed manual transmission, a 235 cubic inch engine, a new clutch and pressure plate, a complete set of engine gaskets with a main seal, and new floor panels still in the box. The car has all necessary paperwork and requires an inspection. It comes with additional spare parts. The engine and transmission are not currently installed in the car, but the engine will run. The fourth project car, a 1967 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $4,300. The car is at home to be viewed, black inside and out. The owner bought this car about 4 years ago. Recently, they have been forced to store it in a warehouse and will move it to another location. The owner bought it as you see in the photos and has various receipts for parts. The car is not drivable. The previous owner had the engine, unsure about the transmission. All trim pieces, all chrome, and the interior are there. A very rare model. The fifth project car, a 1953 Pontiac Chieftain, priced at $3,600. Engine size 5.7L or 350. With 4 doors, automatic transmission, mileage of 100,000 kilometers. No long description of this car. He wrote Pontiac Bonneville, so I got confused writing it. The sixth project car, a 1964 Oldsmobile Super 88, priced at $1,800. Rocket V8 394 CU, 330 HP engine, chrome, and glass in very good condition. Mileage of 82,000 miles. The transmission has been repaired. Needs bodywork, seat reupholstering, and carburetor adjustment. Consider trading for an Enduro. The price is negotiable. The seventh project car, a 1974 Chrysler New Yorker sedan, priced at $4,000. Mileage of 100,000 kilometers, with a 440 4V engine. The car still runs and stops, and it has power windows, power seats, power brakes, and power steering. The windshield is in perfect condition. The interior is still good for its age. No cracks in the dashboard, equipped with a factory 8-track, and chrome is in excellent condition. There is some rust, but not much. If interested, you can check the video description. The eighth project car, a 1968 Dodge Monaco 500 sedan, priced at $1,600. Mileage of 145,000 kilometers. This white car has 2 doors, equipped with many new and additional parts. Last run a few years ago, has been sitting for about 7 years in the garage, just brought out into the daylight. There is rust in front and behind the rear wheels, but overall quite solid. A very cool old project, perfect for collectors. The ninth project car, a 1961 Buick LeSabre, priced at $2,900. 4-door hardtop with a 364 cubic nailhead engine. This blue car is 100% drivable, in pretty good condition, with some small rust holes in the lower fender and one small hole in the floor next to the driver's seat. The brakes are quite stiff, but still work if pressed hard enough. The engine runs strong and the transmission works smoothly, with no noise in the valve train. Power steering works. The condition of the AC system is unknown, and plenty of chrome trim. Aftermarket head unit installed in the glove box. The factory unit is non-functional, possibly just disconnected. Comes with a full set of original factory hubcaps, an aftermarket alternator, and all other parts are original. Note that the owner does not sell parts separately. The 10th project car, a 1935 Oldsmobile, priced at $5,000. This is an old car that I haven't reviewed before. It needs a lot of repairs. Built on a standard chassis. Chevy rear end, the back end is mounted on the frame. Lots of extra parts, no engine, no transmission, sold as is. Caddy grille has lots of potential. Also comes with ownership documents. The 11th project car, a 1967 Cadillac Sedan DeVille, priced at only $1,000. Powered by a 429 V8 engine, has never been tried to start. The interior is dirty. The owner also has a parts car with the same model. The 12th project car, a 1968 Ford Torino GT, for sale at $2,800, with a 351 PC engine, probably cubic inch, although originally equipped with a 390 engine. Needs a complete restoration, including paint. I have the documents ready for inspection. The 13th project car, a 1976 Monte Carlo, priced at $3,600. This is an inherited car. It runs and drives amazingly. The interior is in excellent condition and all functions work well. The only downside is the rust in the rear. The owner has new quarter panels for this car but doesn't have the time to install them. Open to trade for classic cars, trucks, diesel trucks, car trailers, bobcats, and even water trucks. He is also willing to add cash for the trade. Let's make a deal. The 14th project car, a 1971 Plymouth Scamp, priced at $2,500. BC car with all documents from the previous owner, equipped with an automatic slant 6 engine. Very minor rust on the body. Has a replacement fender for the driver's side. There is rust under the vinyl top. A great and solid restoration project. No trades or holds unless there is a deposit. The 15th project car, a 1957 Pontiac Sedan, priced at $3,200. The car has no engine, but overall solid. Needs rust repair on the rocker panels and lower quarter panels as usual. The owner does not accept trades. Wow, we are heading to the 16th project car, a 1966 Lincoln Continental convertible, priced at $2,900. With a mileage of 30,000 kilometers, a 462 CI engine ran a few years ago. The frame is solid as it has been previously undercoated. However, the floor and body are in bad condition. The top will need repair. The condition is uncertain. The interior is in good condition. This rare and cool car deserves to be restored. The owner has the keys, but no ownership documents. Open to trade for a late 70s Ford pickup.
What's going on? And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you know.
Next, a 1969 Pontiac Parisienne, priced at $3,200. The car is in pretty good condition for its year. The interior is very nice. I have started the engine but have not driven it, so it needs some work. The top needs replacement but still functions. The right fender is damaged and needs replacing. Too many projects? You should know that only 1,000 convertibles of this model were made. 18. A rare 1963 Chevrolet Acadian Beaumont, priced at $2,600, a running car, equipped with a new gas tank and new gas lines. The 6-cylinder engine has been restored. 2-speed power glide transmission, a great project for someone who has the time. No trades accepted. Okay, moving on. A 1966 Dodge, cheap price only $800. Spring cleaning, the owner accepts offers. Engine is seized, this car is manual. Not many photos provided, just enjoy it, sir. The last project car we encountered, a 1964 Ford station wagon, priced at $2,900. This car can be finished to your liking, running, and drivable. The brake and fuel systems have been checked and replaced as needed. Folding seats in the back create a large cargo or sleeping area. The engine is a 302 from the 90s, new transmission. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Don't forget to subscribe.